It happens to be the Ingouches because I love their love of freedom. Because they never had a feudal system or an aristocracy. No serfs, no slaves, no social superiors or inferiors. It happens to be the Ingouches because I've seen them in their little valley towns and in their mountains, and like Negli Farson, I saw a kind of paradise and must take it in my care. The Ingouches' right to survive is my right and your right, and the right of any good, free soul not to conform with the vile forces of uniformization, whether imposed by comms, market pigs, or the emetic party speak of political correctitude. In life, as we both know, it's the luck of the draw, who you meet, and when and how much you have left to give, and the point at which you say, "To hell with everything. This is where I go the distance. This is where I stick." You know those photos of old fellows in their great big mountain capes, their burqas? Well, in an uneven fight, when a North Caucasus warrior is surrounded by enemies, he will throw his burqa to the ground and stand on it to show how he will not retreat one step from the surface covered by his burqa. Me? I throw down my burqa somewhere on the road to Vladikavkaz, on a perfect winter's day, where the whole of creation is sitting up ahead of you, inviting you to come in, whatever the risk and whatever the cost. John Le Carre.